warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lailatul Filiah and my last name 26. Today, I will summarize the main content of the novel I read by the title Eleanor and Park. This story talking about both characters are teenagers who feel isolated but come together because of a shared hobby. They navigate through a life full of struggles, ultimately achieving a satisfying outcome and living together in happiness. And the story features are Eleanor, Park, Richie as Eleanor's stepfather and Eleanor's mother. Let's we go to the story. One day, in 1986, in Omaha, Nebraska, their two lonely teenagers meet on the school bus. The girl name is Eleanor. She had just moved to new school and she stood out with her curly red hair and unique style. But her difficult background often made her a target for bullying. Until one day in cafeteria, some students start teasing her. Student 1 sighed. Hey, look at the fat redhead. Did she just come from a circus? And student 2 sighed to her. Yeah, of course. She probably has no friend because of how she looks. And Eleanor feels stunned and didn't know what to say. She just looked away and trying to hold back her tears. Nearby, there is some boy named Park who seeing Eleanor treated like that make his heart is hurt. He whispered to his friend, "Why do they have to be like that? She hasn't done anything." But Park's friend sighed. She didn't Park. They are just having fun. But Park couldn't hold back. He stood up and walked over to Eleanor. And Park said to Eleanor, "Hey Eleanor, do you want to sit here?" Eleanor looked at him surprised. Hesitantly, she nodded and joined him. This moment brought her a little relief in her stressful of life. Cause at home, Eleanor faced with the serious problems. On the other hand, Park was a cool Asian American guy who was more accepted his friend. He likes comics and music, but he also felt alone because of his identity. At first, Park felt uncomfortable with Eleanor's presence, but over time they connected through their shared interests. And however the time passed, their relationship is grew. Park began to protect Eleanor from classmates' bullying and they built a deep and genuine bond. Also, Eleanor found comfort and support in Park, which gave her strength to face her challenges at home. Meanwhile, Park learned to accept himself more and understand that his love for Eleanor was valuable, even if society didn't always accept them. However, their journey was not easy. Eleanor struggled with her complicated family issues, and someday she felt if her presence might burden Park. And one day, Park said to Eleanor, "You know, I will always be here for you, right?" And Eleanor sighed, "But I don't want to drag you into my mess, Park." And Park sighed to Eleanor, "Eleanor, your mess is part of me. I want to be with you, even if it's hard, okay?" Until one night, after experiencing violence at home, Eleanor went to Park in tears. Eleanor sighed. "I don't know how to handle this part. Park said to Eleanor. It's okay, Eleanor. We can find a way out together, okay? While Park couldn't physically take Eleanor away from her home, his emotional support gave her courage, and she began to talk her about her situation and consider seeking help. And with each moment they spent together, Eleanor felt stronger. But the pressure from her family and surroundings grew heavier. It's when Richie found out their relationship and things become more dangerous. Eleanor felt tripped again, but Park stayed by her side, consistently supporting her. And Park sighed. You can do this, Eleanor. I'm here for you. Eventually, Eleanor took a brave step to leave her dangerous situation. With Park's help and her own courage, she decided to go. It was an emotional moment, but it also broke hope for a better future. A story continued. They faced various challenges that test their love. Despite the obstacles, they learned to support and rely on each other. And Eleanor sighed. Maybe we can change the world, but we can change how we see it. And Park said to Eleanor, as long as we are together, we can face anything, including conflict with your mother and abusive stepfather. From this novel, illustrated from their emotional journey, highlighting themes of first love, so self-acceptance, and challenges. Through their experience, many lessons can we take from this story. First, self-acceptance. So the second, the power of the first love. Third, the importance of social supporting. Fourth, awareness of domestic violence. And the last is courage to create change. Okay, maybe just this summarize the main content of the novel I read by the title Eleanor and Park. After this, I want to give you 3 example other tense from this novel. Hello guys, and now we enter to the explain about 3 tense that I found from a novel. For the first tense is simple present tense. Example from the simple present tense, I take Park likes comics. Why I choose this sentence as a simple present tense? Because this use a verb 1. And this sentence indicates Park consistent interest in comic. For the second tense is simple past tense. For example, Eleanor walked home. Why I choose this sentence as a simple past tense? Because this is use verb 2. Where is this verb 2? Is walked. And this sentence explain this show a completed action that took place in the past. For the third, present continuous tense. Example, they are talking together. Why I choose this sentence as present continuous tense? Because there is to be, and if there is to be before the verb, then to be continuous. Example, they are talking. Where is the continuous? Verb plus ing is the continuous tense. Example, they are talking together. Where is to be? Are. And talk, be talking. Verb plus ing. Then they are talk, verb plus ing. Talking together. And the sentence explain indicates is happening right now. Okay, Maybe just this from me. I'm sorry if there is mistake for me. And last, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.